Dyslexic genius here. We're back on the motor and we're going to do the top end, the winding crankshaft and stuff. But this motor has had somebody in there, and I noticed when I was taking it apart, they were missing the washers here. So when you put a nut down, there's a space. So you need a washer that will fit over this little gap here. So we got 3 new washers for that. You don't need one on this one because the casting works right here like that. And the nut will come down on that. Remember, we did all this work because of that screw right there. Now we're going to get that screw back in here. This screw right here.
Okay.
So what we're going to do, we did that. We're just going to put a little drop on top of every nut. Well, the stud right here, just a little drop. And then we will
Does it matter which way those go up?
yeah, there's a top side, that's the top side. Okay? And then that's the flat area right there is the bottom side.
Okay.
We'll come in here. Because these weren't there on assembly. And these will just lock down right there. There we go. There we go. Got that one in place. Now we'll go over here. And before we do that, we're going to add a little oil on that screw. A little oil on that screw. And this one was missing a washer also. Take those down. The wrench fits in there. Nope. Okay. I have to get the other tool. There we go. Tight. 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 Now what we're going to do, we're going to put this in with the winding crank gear. gonna a little STP right here. And a little STP in here. We're going to take the gear, put the gear on. Things coming together. You have to hold it next to the casting to get it in. There we go. Just get a little tight. So what I've done is I've aligned the hole in the shaft to this gear right here. So there's a hole in the shaft, goes all the way through. Now we'll put this pin in. Bottomed out. And then we'll put this pin in. There we go. I'll have to get a new washer spacer in here for that one. And that's everything's assembled. What I've done is I've added a little STP here, and then we will add a little sewing machine oil to the spindle shaft, and we'll be ready to go. So all we have left is one little pin here. I'll have to put another spacer in here because the other one didn't look good. And that's my tip for the day.